Hello, today I'm going to show you how to sell affiliate products easily. So whether you are in the dog niche or in the weight loss niche, it does not matter. I'm going to show you how to sell affiliate products easily so you can make more money. Hey, my name is Epic Reels, and I'm going to show you how to easily make more money using 3 simple methods that you can use starting today for selling more affiliate products. And you don't want to watch this amazing training until the very end, because this training is very simple and it's very straightforward. It's also very beginner friendly. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, then you're going to want to watch this amazing training to the very end. Also, I'm going to have all this information posted in the description below, and I also have an amazing free report that you can access in the description below. All right, let's begin. Okay, let's begin with how to sell affiliate products easily using 3 easy methods. Now, before I begin to share the 3 easy methods, I want to mention that these methods are going to work in any niche. So whether you are in the dog niche or whether you're in the weight loss niche, it does not matter. These methods are going to work. Also, it does not matter if you're selling digital products or if you're selling video games or if you are selling exercise equipment or dog products or gardening products. These methods are going to help you to sell your affiliate products easy. I also want to mention that in order to sell your affiliate products easy, you're going to need to build an audience using social media. Now, if you don't want to use social media, you can use something like maybe a blogging or like a platform like Medium or Quora to promote or to sell your affiliate products easily. But you are going to need to build an audience in order to sell your affiliate products easily. That's very important for me to mention. All right, now let's begin with method number 1. Method number 1 for how to sell affiliate products easily. So method number 1 is you want to give extra bonuses. That's right. You want to go the extra mile, as it says in the picture, and you want to give extra bonuses when you are selling your affiliate products. And the reason you want to do this is because you want to stand out from all the other affiliate marketers, right? Because if I'm selling a certain product and you're selling the same product, then what makes us different from each other. So if you give out extra bonuses, then the customer is more likely to buy from you just because of the bonuses. All right, so here, let's look here. Remember this: an affiliate offer plus bonuses equals an amazing offer, and an amazing offer equals more affiliate sales. Remember this. This is key. This is super important in order for you to sell your affiliate products easily. Now, I want to show you here. This is an example. This is a bonus example, an example of using a bonus with a product called the Smoothie Diet. Now, this product is a ClickBank product, and it's called the Smoothie Diet, and this product is offering 2 bonuses. Now, I want to show you this product in ClickBank. So I'm here in ClickBank. I'm here under health and fitness, and let me see if you can see this, kind of small. And I'm going to look for the product. So I'm looking for the product, and here it is. The product here that I'm talking about, the Smoothie Diet, is this one, right? So we're right here. The Smoothie Diet, 21-day rapid weight loss program. And it's only $28, right? $28. Now, what's amazing about this is that even though it's $28, these people, the creators of this product, are still giving away bonuses. Now let me show you the bonuses. So okay, so I'm here on their page, and this is the product. There's a video, but if you scroll down, if you look all the way down to the bottom, if you keep going all the way down to the bottom, it's going to tell you right here everything that you get with this product. And remember, this product is only $28. You're going to get this Smoothie Diet 21-day program, and look what they have here. Bonus 1, the 3-day smoothie detox, and it tells you exactly what this bonus is. And they are also offering a second bonus. It's bonus number 2. It is a quick start guide, and here it gives more information about this quick start guide. So even though, what's interesting is this product is this smoothie diet product is a very popular product. And the way I know it, because the gravity here is very high. When a product has a high gravity, that means a lot of people are buying this product. So even though this product is only $28, the creators of this product are still offering additional bonuses in order to make this product, this affiliate product, right, an amazing offer, right? Remember what I said before, an affiliate offer plus bonuses equals amazing offer. An amazing offer equals more affiliate sales. Keep that in mind, all right? So now that I showed you that example, I want to give you some examples of bonuses to give. So whatever product you are promoting, whatever product you are selling, give out bonuses, because this way it helps people to want to really buy your offer, right? So what you can do, for example, is you can provide maybe like an additional a one-page report on that product, or a quick start guide on that product, or a cheat sheet, or a 7-step checklist for using that product. Or you can provide maybe a short ebook that accompanies that product, or maybe you can provide a free consultation or some coaching. Whatever you do, provide maybe 1 or 2 bonuses, 3 maybe at the most, in order to make that product amazing. All right. So that's method number 1. Now, method number 2 for how to sell affiliate products easily is you want to do what's called product reviews. You want to do what's called product reviews. And let me explain what are product reviews, all right, or what are the benefits of doing product reviews. Now, the benefits of doing product reviews is, or let me explain first. Let me go back here. A product review is simply you're going to review a product, right? So if you are promoting like this product, right? If you're going to promote, going back here to ClickBank, if you're going to promote this product, the smoothie diet, the 21-day rapid weight loss program, you can do a product review. You can review this product, right? You can review this product. That's all you got to do. And some benefits of doing product reviews are, when you do a product review, this helps explain the benefits of the product, right? This helps explain the benefits of the product. When you also do a product review, this shows the customer how to use the product, right? So you don't want to just say, hey, buy my product. You want to show them how they can use your product. Another benefit of doing a product review is that you can show how the product can solve a specific problem, or a specific problem that person has, whether it's back pain, or whether it's losing weight, or whether it's saving money, or whether it's getting their pet dog to stop barking. You want to show how this product can solve a problem. So these are some benefits of doing a product review. Now I want to show you quickly how to do product reviews, right? How to do product reviews. Now, all you can do, you can keep this very simple. You can create like YouTube videos, right? You can create a simple 5 to 10 minute short YouTube video on the product, right? Reviewing the product, reviewing the benefits of the product, right? Like how I mentioned before. Mentioned the benefits of the product, how to use the product, and how the product can solve a problem, right? So you can do that. Here you can create a YouTube video. That's how you do a product review. Now, maybe if you don't want to do a YouTube video because you don't want to be on camera, then you can write an article. That's right. You can write an article, like a blog, right? You can write an article, and that's another way to do a product review. Just list a couple good benefits and how this product can resolve a problem, and that would be great. Now, if you really want to make a lot of money, right? If you really want to be able to sell very easily, sell your affiliate products very easily, then do both. Create both YouTube videos and write an article on the product. And this will skyrocket your profits. And this will help you to easily sell more of your products. Keep that in mind. All right, let's move on. Okay, and method number 3 for how to sell affiliate products easily is you want to do what's called email marketing. Now, email marketing is powerful. A lot of people don't realize how powerful email marketing is, and I'm going to explain why. So here are some benefits of email marketing, right? So when you do email marketing helps you to get more leads, helps you to get more customers, right? At the same time, email marketing helps you to build a relationship with your customer. So you don't want to just go and spam your affiliate links anywhere. You want to build a relationship. You want people to get to know, like, and trust you. And you can do email marketing is an excellent way of doing this, of building a relationship with a customer. Next, another benefit of email marketing is that it's an easy way to promote your affiliate product. And also, email marketing helps you to increase sales, right? It's very easy. It's very powerful. Now, how to do email marketing? I'm going to show you what you can do. You can create a simple landing page to collect emails, right? You can also give a free report or a checklist. Now, this is a free report that I give out, and I'm in a weight loss niche, so this is a free report I give out in order to get customers' emails, and in order for me to email them and promote my affiliate marketing products to them. You can also, once you set up a landing page, once you start giving out a free report, you can start to email your customers 3 times a week, and you want to email them some tips, some strategies on whatever niche you are. Whether it's in a weight loss niche, you want to give them maybe 3 tips on how to lose weight in the next 10 days. Or if you're in a dog niche, maybe give them 3 tips on how to get your dog to stop barking in 24 hours, something like that. But just give them some tips, and then maybe promote your affiliate offer once a week. And by your customers getting to know, like, and trust you, they're likelier to buy your affiliate products. Keep that in mind. Okay, well, before I do this, here I want to show you also quickly. This is an example. Like I said before, I'm in a weight loss niche, so this is an example of a landing page, right? This is my free report, the 7 steps to gain a sexy flat stomach, and I'm giving this out to people. And this is going to help people lose belly fat. As you can see here, the 7 best tips you need to easily lose belly fat in only 30 days. So people, if they want this, they put their email here, and I send it to them. And then once I get their email, I can start doing email marketing, right? So this is how you create, this is how you create a simple landing page, and you give out a free report. All right. Now, I know that you may be thinking this is a little bit of work, quite a bit of work. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. Well, these methods, they're gonna help you to easily sell your affiliate products very easily. So I highly recommend for you to do this. And trust me, you're gonna realize that a lot of affiliate marketers are not willing to do this because they see that it requires a bit more work. So they're not gonna want to do that. But what's gonna make you stand out from all the other affiliate marketers is that you're going to be going the extra mile and providing these methods, these strategies, tips in order to sell more affiliate products. And I'm telling you, I would say 97% of affiliate marketers won't go the extra mile, won't do this extra work, but trust me, it's going to help you to stand out and help you to easily sell more affiliate products. Okay, so let's review it quickly one more time. How to sell affiliate products easily. 3 easy methods. Method number 1 is you want to give extra bonuses, right? Method number 2 is you want to do product reviews, and method number 3 is you want to do email marketing. If you do these 3 things, it's going to be super easy for you to sell any affiliate product, no matter the niche, right? And no matter the product. Just keep this in mind.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this amazing training. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to start a profitable online business from home, then I have an amazing free report that's in the description down below. So make sure you get access to your free report. Also, if you enjoyed this training, then make sure you like, you subscribe, and you leave a comment and post any questions you have, and I will do my best to get back to you. Till next time, bye.